Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be making crispy fried pork belly. Let's get right to it. To start, soak pork belly overnight and slice to small pieces. Then add egg, ground Sichuan pepper, salt, and stir fully. Next, add cornstarch and stir. Then marinate for 15 minutes. Heat oil to 180 degrees Celsius and add pork pieces. Then fry them till golden brown. Next, make the same sauce as in my spicy fried tofu video and add fried pork belly on top. Then crispy fried pork belly is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. See you until next time.